In this video, I will be showing you how to delete Chatgpt chat history on iPhone. Let's get started. I start on my home screen, where I see my application icons, including Chatgpt and Safari. I tap on the Chatgpt icon to launch the application. Once the application opens, I am greeted by a clean, dark interface with a few suggested prompts at the bottom. To open the main menu, I tap on the two horizontal lines located in the upper left corner of the screen. This action opens a sidebar menu revealing a search option, my chat library, and a list of my recent conversation titles. To access my account settings, I look at the very bottom of the sidebar menu and tap on my account profile option, labeled Samply. This opens up the Customization and Account Settings panel. I scroll down past the account information and theme options until I reach the App Settings section. I see options for General, Notifications, Voice, Parental Controls, Safety, Security and Login, Storage, and Data Controls. I tap on Data Controls to manage my information. Inside the Data Controls menu, I see toggles for improving the model and including audio recordings, followed by a Location Access section. Below that is the Chat History category. I look at the options available here, which include Archive Chats, Archive All Chats, and Delete All Chats. I select Delete All Chats to initiate the process of clearing out my entire conversation history. A confirmation box pops up from the bottom of the screen with a warning message stating that all my chats will be cleared from history and that this action cannot be undone. To proceed, I tap the red Confirm button. A small green checkmark appears briefly next to the Delete option, indicating that the action was successful. I then tap the Close button in the top right corner of the Settings panel to exit back to the main menu. Looking at the sidebar, the Recent section now displays a message stating that there are no recent conversations. I swipe the sidebar away to the left to return to the main dashboard interface. I tap on the text input field at the bottom that says Ask Chatgpt, which brings up my on-screen keyboard. I paste a long prompt into the field where I outline a plan to start a small vegetable garden at home and ask for recommendations on 5 easy vegetables for beginners, along with care tips. I tap the blue Upload arrow button to send the prompt to Chatgpt. The AI quickly processes my request and begins generating a detailed, structured response on screen, starting with lettuce and pache, complete with bulleted reasons for why they are great choices and simple care tips for each one. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.